Hello everyone, quick video on how to change the air filter on this Toyota Verso. Now look, if you've got this Toyota Verso, this is a 1.8 petrol and it's a UK right hand drive model, but if you've got left hand drive it should be the same setup under the bonnet anyway. You might have that on that side, but doesn't make a difference. The airbox is usually like this. So if it's like this, all you have to do, sorry I kind of took it out already, and then I thought, oh, let me video this. Anyway, so all you do is just undo this clip here, and then there's another clip just here. This clip here. You just undo that, and then it's held in through these, but you don't need to do anything. It's just lift it up like so. And ideally what you should do is take this off, but you don't need to. You just wedge it up like so, vacuum the inside of that with a hose. You just take that out. There it is. Look at the dirt on that. Here's my new one. So let me show you that, how you put it back in. There you go, as if by magic. They swap places. So when you put that back in, it's really simple how to know which way to put it in. So this straight square edge goes on this side here, and essentially it's the way you took it out. So when I took it out, I saw that the square edge was on this side. So that's exactly how I'm going to do it. So I haven't got my tripod, so I'm going to try and do this one-handed, video it. So this isn't ideal, but hey ho. There you go. It's as simple as that. See? Nice. Fit it in, and then you clip those back in there. Like that. Give it a little bit of a push, and just make sure you haven't done what I've done there with this. Make sure that's down there so that you can sit it in place like that. There you go. So I've pushed that back in. Now that last bit, if I can find it. Can you see it? Hope you guys can see it. I can't see it. I'm doing it blind, but can you see that? Just got to clip that back in. There you go. And job's a good one. So I've done a bit live, so not the professional, but at least you could see me do that in situ and give you a better reflection how it'll be like for you. So it's literally a couple of minute job. Hope that helped. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.